Hi everyone, I'm here to show you how to set up and complete the daily living skill of folding socks. As you can see, I have my work task bin, I have my socks which are all in matches, I have different types of lengths, I have long and short just to provide some kind of variety. I also have a finished bin. You want to make sure that your work task is set up from left to right, starting with what needs to be done, where it will be done, and the finish bin. So as you can see, all the socks are in pairs. I'm going to put them into my work task bin and make sure that they're shuffled up a little bit so the pairs aren't laying together. All right, so now your workstation is set up for folding socks. Next, I will provide you with verbal cues as well as video modeling for the daily living skill of folding socks. Get sock. Find match. This is not a match. This is a match. Put together openings at top. Pinch socks. Hold. Turn. Put in finished. Get sock. Find match. Pick up. Pinch socks. Pull. And turn. Put in finished. Get sock. Find match. Pick up. Pinch socks. Hold and pull. Turn. Finished. Pick up. Hold. Pinch and pull. Turn. Pick up, pinch, hold, pull, turn. Pick up, pinch, hold and pull, turn. Pick up, hold and pinch, pull, turn. Finished.